Welcome and thanks for joining me. In this series of videos, I'll be reviewing the topic of work scheduling. Over the course of videos, we'll review the purpose, guidelines for effective scheduling, best practices for weekly and daily scheduling meetings, and a whole other array of scheduling related topics. In this video, I'll be reviewing the purpose of scheduling. Scheduling describes the who and the when of work. We schedule work that has been planned. The what and the how has been determined, and the work is ready to schedule. The outcome are effective weekly and daily schedules. To be successful at scheduling, it's important that your organization understands the difference between planning and scheduling and have clearly defined roles and responsibilities for both of these processes. A scheduled job is one that has been included in a weekly, daily, shutdown, or another formal schedule. It has a defined start and finish time. The required resources, including personnel by name, equipment, tools, and supporting services, are assigned. The activities for various resources are coordinated to minimize total costs, and it should be completed as defined by the work order job plan. So by that definition, a schedule is not just a list of work, but it includes names and a start and end time. Scheduling is quite different from planning and needs different skills. Work can be scheduled without being planned, but schedules will not be of a high quality and they will not be effective. Scheduling is very much a joint responsibility between maintenance, operations, stores, purchasing, and engineering. The objective is to combine all maintenance-related activities in one integrated schedule by matching resources to ready-to-schedule work. Provided that we've implemented good maintenance prevention and inspection standards, the ready-to-schedule work represents the legitimate work demands for an organization. For our organization to succeed and remain competitive, we must carry out the work efficiently. In other words, do the right thing and do it right the first time. So the purpose of scheduling work according to a best practice process is to ensure that all people, materials, equipment, and other resources required to do a job are at the right place at the right time. To ensure that all work is coordinated to avoid delays and maximize value. To communicate and coordinate planned activities to all involved and all of the stakeholders. Scheduling involves matching ready-to-schedule planned work against available resources so that the most efficient sequence and timing of the work is established. So look for the next video in the scheduling series to learn more about scheduling and how to improve the process within your organization. Add a comment and like the video, and check out idcon.com for additional information. Thank you.